Alright folks, this is the new WGEN12000DF generator that I just received. Purchased this a couple of weeks ago from Lowe's, and it was shipped directly from Westinghouse. I bought it during the tax-free weekend for emergency supply, so this is going to be my unboxing of it. Packaging for this generator was really packed well. No damage to the box in the delivery, so that's always a good sign. Got the straps on it still. We'll cut off here in a second. So shipped from the factory, they packed it with this board on top to provide extra support for the generator during shipping. As you can see, every bit of 1/4 inch, if not more. Okay folks, here it is unboxed, and let's look at some of the features of it. Comes with 4 20 amp plugs for your extension cords, 2 30 amp plugs, and the good old 50 amp plug for your panel. Has the battery charger cord there, the smart switch box, breaker, meter, push start, and on this end, let's see, we have a fuel filter, oil fill here, on-off switch for the whether it's your tank or propane, starter, battery. It's got rubber bracing here. It looks like an oil drain, but that would not be convenient on this side. Let's look on the side. We've got the side of the generator here, and more rubber mounts for the feet. Exhaust. Back side here, oil filter. That'll be great. This drain looks to be a little bit better, but it's further in. See, we've come out with contraption to help with the oil change there. Spark plug. Not sure with that one, probably a muff. Let's see. Yep. Regulator for the propane. And there you have it. It has an air filter as well. Gas tank wise, 10.5 gallon tank if you choose to use gas, or obviously this one's a dual fuel, propane or gasoline. So here you have it. Okay, let's see what all is included in the box. You have your user's manual, you have a maintenance guide. It comes with one motor oil, 1.6 quarts of it, angle funnel, which will come in real handy. Comes with a propane hose, probably 3 or 4 footer. Battery charger. Comes with some tools, probably for the install of the wheels. It's the part of the wheel kit. Lift bracket, 2 wheels, and push start remote.